increase your prices. Sounds easy, right? But I'm not talking about just taking prices and adding percentage and increasing your prices. What I'm saying is you need to figure out a way to make your services more valuable so that you can charge more money and get a higher average ticket, right? If let's say your average ticket is $600, you need to work on getting that average ticket to 900, 1,000. Like the entire focus of raising prices is to get more revenue out of the same amount of customers, right? So your focus needs to be how to increase your average ticket by 40%. When we went from 2016 to 2017, went from went from basically more than 2xing 2016's revenue in 2017. A lot of it had to do with the fact that we raised our average price. We increased our average price by 35% on exterior cleaning, and we increased our average price by almost 50% for Christmas lights.